So hey, what's up everyone, this is Javi back here with another video. So yeah, today I will be creating a Shinchan through Python, okay? And it's look like this. So yeah, for this, as you have seen, for this you need to do, now I'm starting with, from starter import start. Now is equal to screen step input done. Is dot screen size 500, okay, and speed I'm taking it as 13. Def my position x comma y, pin up position go to and y, pin down. Now here pin size I'm taking here as 2, okay. Now I'm creating a function called sheet. So sheet def sheet fill color SSEC40, and in fill right 25, forward 20, right 45, forward 20, left 70, forward 90, left 95, forward 75, left 85, forward 175, left 85, forward 75, left 95, forward 90, and left 85, forward 18. And now in fill option. Now I'm creating another function called left leg, okay. Left leg position minus 39, minus fill color hashtag SSD699. Now begin fill function and right 9, forward 25, right 90s, forward 50, then right 90s, forward 20, right 85, forward 50, okay. And now in fill function again. Now I'm creating another function called left sub, okay. So here left my function minus 36, minus 78, fill color here, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6s, and then begin fill right 90 circle 80, 13 right 110, so forward 22, right 85, forward 19, right 90, forward 21, and fill. Now here I'm taking another function called left show, okay. So for that, if left 4, then my position minus 69, fill color, left shoe, definitely you know Shinchan's shoe color, so it's definitely black. Picking for right 90, forward 56, left 25, forward 13, left 75, forward 20, right 90, forward 15, color on the 15, left take. Now left I'm taking here as 80, okay. So forward now you're looking for circle 10, 15, left 84, circle 10, 15, forward 10, right 45, forward 15, circle 5, 25, and now in 5. Now I'm defining the right leg function, okay. For that, def right leg my position 60 minus 28, fill color SSD699, begin fill and left 120, forward 20 square, right 9 and 5, forward 55, right 90, forward 20, right I'm taking 85, forward 55, and now in the end in fill. Okay, now I'm taking another function called defining the right shop. For that, my position 64 as 79, screen color I'm taking an SSFF6s, okay. Then begin square right 90, 90 comma 14, and right 110, forward 23, then right 90, forward 15, right 80, forward 21, and then in 7. I'm defining Shinchan's right shoot. So for that, to my position here, 64 minus 108. This color, it will be then black. Begin, fill, right, 100, forward, 56, left, 160, turn forward, 25, right, 68, forward, 17, left, 90, circle, 18, 15, forward, 5, left, 75, forward, 11, right, 85, forward, 20, 45, so 14, 30, left, 25, now in fill. Now I'm defining the new function for my shirt as the position is minus 75, 48, color. And as you know, Shinchan's shirt color definitely is red, so it's red. Begin fill, left 72, forward 185, left 87, forward 75, right 68, circle, taking 20,8, yep, circle, plus 100 minus 3, left 90, circle 35, 17, right here I'm taking 38, yes, circle 35, plus 7, left 58, forward 75, right 12, forward 140, right 40, forward 93, left 120, circle minus 20, 65, left 75, forward 10, left 23, forward 8, right 31, forward 87, right 180, forward 108, forward 104, and there's circle 10, position 70, and now it's in. So for now I'm doing the my head function. Okay, so for the my head, line position T minus 495, left 20, and size 2, action colors, and FCC 6A0, action right 90, action forward 40, right 90, circles 80, left 10, circle 50, 80, left I'm taking 2, and now circle 200 minus 50. Now left 48, forward 60, left 20, circle 45, 60, right twice, so 400, 85, and fill color with black, and begin fill function size taking as 2, right 170, color minus 100, 165, right 78, forward 26, right 87, forward taking 55, circle 14, fill. Now fill color as FCC6A0. Now begin fill, right 180, circle minus 100, 105, right 37, forward 39, in size 2, left 130, 30, right taking 5, circle minus 10, 70, and right 50, circle 10, 10, forward 36, right 80, in pink colors FCC 6A0, right taking 90 and forward 30. Now in fill, defining the right hand function. Okay, for that 35, my position 197, 209, in color I'm taking black, the color FCC 6A0, taking fill, right 45, forward 6, left 55, forward x 20, then circle minus 5, 20, right 100, forward 18, left 105, forward 18, left 18, left should be 105, okay, forward 18, circle minus 570, right 10, forward 018, left 145, forward 15, circle minus 5, 70, right 100 in fill. Now I'm defining the left hand. Okay, for that left, and I position minus 94, 242, L color FCC 6A0. Now I'm taking fill, right I'm taking here as a 10, forward 6, left 90, 10 here taking, and for forward 12 the values are forward and then left 90, forward it is 8, left 90, forward 2 is now end fill. Now I'm defining my base function, my position here, where 291, for right taking 90, fill color with asterisk 0 towards in equals 2, and for begin fill right 90, forward 55, left 19, forward 12 is 10, and forward 17, left 10, forward 12, left 80, forward 12, left 10, forward 17, left 10, forward 12, it's not 20, it's 12, left 10, forward 12, left 10, forward 17, left 10, forward 12, now end cell, function now enough, right 100, forward 20, right 90, forward 14, 10 down again, then pen color, hashtag 9, C5, E4, then fill color, 9C5, E4 again, then begin fill, then I'm taking as a loop, I'm running it for I loop, range 5, forward 15, right 144, and now end fill, and then forward it as 27, left and 90, forward 7, then down, then fill color 9C5, E4, 8. Now begin fill, I'm taking another for I in range loop, 5, forward 10, right 144, in here fill. So the pinner forward 20, right 90, forward 5, then down, then fill color 964, again for I in range 5, forward 10, right 144, in fill. Defining here the left hand function for that left and to my position 112, 284, in color I'm taking at this black, fill color is say 0, begin fill right 180, forward 31, left I'm taking 90, for I in range again a loop 2, and for circle 4, 90, 45 in range 3, and right 180, then for I in range 2 again, then the circle is 4, 90, and now in fill. Now I'm defining the my mount function. For that, that's my mount. Here my position minus 25, 200, left 65 color, 77 king and E, and picking fill the for iron range here 10 2, the circle is 25 minus 90, circle 25 micro minus 90, now end fill. And now I'm defining the I pro. For that dev I pro, I'm taking the coordinates x comma y, and for that my position should be x comma y, and for starting the pen size should be 18, and right 150, forward here 25, right here 90, for I in range here taking as 1, and for right 45 dot and taking 15, and left 65, forward 25, now again a loop for I in range 1, right 45 dot 15, and left my eyelid. For the eyelid again x comma y coordinate. For the my position it should be x comma y for that, right here taking as 90, forward 17, down geometric fills color 1 2 3 4 5 6 F, and then begin fill, then left here taking as 90, and then circle 9 10 fill. Now I'm defining the organize 2 function. For that def I organize 2 for xy coordinate, defining my position is and y, then here colors 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then begin with right center and begin fill, circle 18 in fill, left 90, then right 90, forward 8, in F down begin to this 90 circle, then in fit. So here I want to include a small robot. Yeah, okay, for that I'm defining a function called my robot, is my robot, and position should be 155, 105, and I'm taking its color as blue, or you can say navy blue. Okay, that is in colors navy blue, and the pin size should be 7. Now begin the fill function, forward 80, left taking 90, forward 60, left taking 90, forward 15, left high space, then end fill. Now color is taking white, then off left 90, forward 30, right here taking 90, forward here 12, pin down, pin size taking as 3, then circle taking as 5, then pin up, then forward it and as 25, pin down, then the circle I'm taking as div 5. Then again pin to be up, right 90, forward here is 20, and the forward is right panel should be 90, and then the pin down. Now here again the beginning cell, the forward is to be 33 as a function, right 90, forward it as 7, right here as 90, forward here 23, right 90, forward taking as 7, right 90, and fill in a function for that forward 25, right 90, forward here taking as 30, pin down. Then color as navy blue as said, blue forward 30, pin up, right 90, pin down, bracket, pinning, fill, circle, and I'm taking it as 5. I'm defining the legs now. For that I'm defining as all legs function, left leg, left chop, left toe, right leg, right chop, and right. So if all hands here, then right hand, left hand, eye base, left hand toe. Yeah. Now I'm defining eyebrows. So for that depth all eyebrows, my eyebrows minus 8, 300, my right 90, my eyebrow here taking 72 minus 300, for my eyelid it's at 9.270, my lid 15, my chin is 68, up to 56. Now I'm defining all eyes as my all eyes 117,275, and my all eyes 2 should be 95,275. No, it's 270. Okay, I'm taking it. Now I'm calling this function see always my shirt, my head, not my all hands, my mouth, eye, all eyebrow, all eyes, and my robot, and in the end HT bracket. Now done. So as you can see here now, so yeah, as you can see here now, it's running completely fine here. So yeah, as you've seen, so this is all about this code.